Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving basic reachability so you don't chase ghosts. First, ping the private DNS server IP and run a trace route. This shows whether packets reach the host. Next, on the server, confirm the DNS process is running and listening on port 53 for UDP and TCP. Then check firewall rules, security groups, and access control lists. If port 53 is blocked, clients cannot query even if the DNS service is healthy. Once done, move to service and config checks. Now you dig into how the server answers and why it might fail. Inspect DNS logs for startup errors and zone syntax problems so misconfigurations don't silently drop queries. Use dig plus trace to follow resolution paths and dig at server to query the server directly. That isolates client versus server faults. Make sure the server's forwarders and resolver settings in /etc/resolve. Conf or systemd resolved are correct, because wrong forwarding can cause timeouts. Once these are corrected, finish by restarting the DNS daemon and confirming it binds to the intended interfaces. This ensures configuration changes take effect. From a client, perform dig and enslookup queries and run the actual application to verify end-to-end resolution. If problems persist, temporarily add critical entries to hosts or point clients to an alternate trusted resolver so services stay up while you debug. One key troubleshooting tip: capture packets with TCP dump on the server to see whether queries arrive and whether the server responds. This reveals networking versus service issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.